Tyson unleashes some choice words on CP24, and the clip instantly trends online. TMZ, The Daily Mail, Us Weekly, blog after blog picks up the story. Sitting down to promote his one-man show, The Undisputed Truth, Tyson cusses out anchor Nathan Downer. Tyson's rep tells E-Talk, quote, Mike was at CTV to promote his very successful one-man show, and CP24 grabbed him and pulled him in for an unplanned interview. His rep also telling TMZ Mike felt, quote, deceived by the reporter when he went off topic. Today, a spokesperson for CP24 tells E-Talk, quote, I can confirm that at no point did CP24 strike a deal with Mr. Tyson or his promoter. In fact, CP24 does not strike deals on editorial content or interview topics/questions with any of our interview subjects as matter of course. After the interview, Nathan posts this to Twitter saying, quote, no ill will toward Mike Tyson. He lashed out at me and that's okay. Not taking it personally.
Mike, what happened with that interviewer guy?
Back at his hotel, Tyson takes time to sign autographs for some fans before heading to his show last night at the Air Canada Centre. Just a few days ago, we met up with Mike in Toronto where he tells Devin the reasoning behind his tough exterior.
I'm still that frightened kid, and I don't want no one to see that kid, so I'll put that really frightening exterior.
All this as Mike's ex Robin Givens is speaking out about the Ray Rice elevator video and how it's changing the way we treat women in abusive relationships. In an op-ed on Time.com, Robin writes, quote, the video forces you to take it in. There's no escaping. You can't dance around it. You have to deal with it. That's why video really becomes crucial for this cause, the fight against domestic violence. Between Mike Tyson, Ray Rice, and Oscar Pistorius, there are a lot of athletes in the news right now for all the wrong reasons.
Which brings us to coverage of an